Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your hair out longer, thicker and faster using castor oil. Yeah, please, this is my natural hair, okay? So please don't even come for me telling me that my hair is not waist length, because I chopped off my hair last year and my hair has done a great job in terms of growing and the thickness, because this is all my hair. I'm not attaching anything to it, it's just my hair. So my hair has done a great job in terms of growing and in terms of thickness. So that is why I want to show you how you can make this simple castor oil treatment in order for you to grow your hair out very fast. Castor oil here has been a very popular oil that has been used for hair growth, and just that some people don't really know the importance of castor oil, or they underestimate the importance of castor oil in their hair growth regimen. Castor oil here is also an abundant oil that you can get anywhere. You can order it from Amazon or just walk into a cosmetic shop, or even some pharmacies sell this castor oil. So you can go in there, get it. It is usually very thick. So castor oil itself is very thick and the viscosity is high. If today is your first time stopping by, please do consider subscribing to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You will see the like button below this video. Click on it and then turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. Don't forget to download a free copy of your ebook down in the description, and then let's get right into the video. Our main ingredient here is castor oil. Castor oil can be used on the scalp to help prevent and remedy hair loss. It is very effective in hair growth because it has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which makes it beneficial against folliculitis, dandruff, scalp infection, and its ricinoleic acid content helps to increase the circulation to the scalp, which improves hair growth. Ricinoleic acid is also said to help balance the scalp pH, which can help to replenish the scalp natural oils and undo some of the damage of harsh chemical hair products. The antioxidant that is contained in castor oil also helps to support the keratin in hair and also helps to make hair stronger, smoother and less frizzy. The next ingredient we'll be using here is coconut oil. And coconut oil here is one natural oil that helps to grow the hair longer, thicker and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids that are naturally found in coconut oil helps to nourish the scalp and also help to remove sebum buildup from the hair follicles. Coconut oil here is going to be used as a carrier oil alongside the castor oil to kind of help dilute the castor oil, because the castor oil on its own is very thick and coconut oil has a lot of hair benefit as well. So this is going to be a win-win situation for us. To prepare this, I'll be needing a bowl, a small bowl like this, and a teaspoon. I'm going to get my castor oil here and I'll just measure in 2 teaspoons of castor oil. You can see how thick the oil is. If you need this castor oil, I'll be leaving the link to it below. I bought it from Amazon and it was shipped to me here in Nigeria. And the next ingredient that will be going in is the coconut oil. For the coconut oil, I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon to this. After combining both oils, I'm going to stir it up thoroughly. can see that we still have a very thick oil here because the castor oil on its own is naturally very thick. I'll be needing a cotton wool. You can go ahead and use your fingertips to apply this if you don't have a cotton wool, but I'm going to be using a cotton wool here to apply mine. Go ahead and apply this up to 2 times in a day in order for you to improve and increase your hair growth and make your hair to grow faster and longer and also thicker. So you can, if you can't apply it twice in a day, you can apply it once in a day, and then just go ahead with this ritual and you will see great improvement in your hair within a week. So this my natural hair, I twisted it into protective style, and then this hair is very thick. My hair is very thick. I don't know if you can tell from the camera. And this is the oil that I just finished preparing. So I'll get a cotton wool like this, dip it into the oil, and I'll just go ahead and apply it to the root of my hair, just the way you are seeing it. So I'll just turn to the back of my hair and I'll do the same thing to it. So making sure I'm applying this oil right on my scalp because that is where the hair growth is going to start from. So go ahead and repeat this as many times as you can until you achieve your desired thickness and hair. So guys, that was just the simple way to prepare this castor oil treatment. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends, give it a thumbs up if you've not done so already, and also turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos. Subscribe on your way out if you've not done so already, and yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Social media handles, don't forget to follow them. Before I go, I would like to give you one hair tip. What I have in my hand here is a spray bottle with water. Always make sure you moisturize your hair regularly. That is because your hair needs moisture in order for it to be healthy. So get a spray bottle like this or any other spray bottle, fill it in with water, and then just spray it all over your hair. So even if you forget to do every other thing, don't forget to moisturize your hair. Don't forget to spray it with water. As simple as water can get your hair well moisturized and help keep it healthy. Okay?